Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically we'll demonstrate, guys, on this Ford F-150, which is a 2012 year model. But even if you have a different year model but the same generation Ford F-150, the video may be helpful. This is the fuse box that's located right under the hood. When you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator, you have a fuse box, and when you open it, you will face it this way. The relays will be towards the back side, towards the windshield, and this one will be towards the front, facing towards you. You have different kinds of relays, okay, and fuses that could be really expensive at the parts store, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a really good price and quick shipping. Check it out. Now, first, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So what we need to check right here, you're going to have, guys, that fuse row right here on the very right side towards you. So if you come right here, you need to count the fifth fuse from left to right. Even if you have a missing one, you still count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5 amp fuse, guys, right here, okay, is the one for the rain sensor, also known as fuse number 79. Check it out. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.